Okay, so I'm trying to do it with the original picture on. I think I was just going to run out of room. So what I am going to do is I am going to call the side length of the square as just 1.
Okay.
And I'm going to call this x.
Alright.
And so by similarity of triangles, this side is 1 now. So what's that side?
1 over x.
1 over x. That's right. And you drew in this triangle, which is 1 over x, and that means the hypotenuse is what?
Well, it would be this total side. So you know it's already 1 plus x, and then subtracting 1 and subtracting 1 over x, so it would be x minus 1 over x.
Correct. So this is x. The side length is x plus 1.
If you wanted it in terms of the Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, but hold on. You're absolutely right. The side length is x plus 1.
Yeah.
I still on camera there. Yeah. And what we have left is we have the 1, and so it is x minus 1 over x, which is absolutely right. But by the Pythagorean theorem, it's also
square root of 1 plus 1 over x squared.
That's right. And I don't know where I'm going to be able to write this. So I just zoom out a hair, and I'll write it up here. So I have this interesting equation that the square root of 1 plus 1 over x squared equals x minus 1 over x.
Okay.
And so, well, maybe I'll just work out the algebra.
All right.
Then, because if we remember, we have this triangle here down at the bottom, and if once we solve for x, and if this is going to be a 30-degree angle, what should x be?
Root 3.
Root 3.
Expecting. Yeah, well, we could. I guess we can just either solve the equation or put in root 3 as the value.
Yeah, well, I think solving it's going to be a fun idea. So I can solve it by squaring both sides. So when I square this side, I get 1 plus 1 over x squared. How about when I square this side, what do I get?
So you get x squared, and then you get minus 2 plus 1 over x squared. So you can subtract 1 over x squared from both sides. And then add 2 to both sides, you get x squared equals 3. So that means x would be square root of 3. So plus minus. But the distance, we're assuming it's positive.
Yeah. So that tells me x is root 3.
Okay.
So I get my root 3. Now why could I just call this the length of the square? That side length. Why could I just arbitrarily call that 1?
Well, you're looking for the ratio between the red and the purple, so if you don't care what the lengths are.
Yeah. So I just scale it so that I have that, I'm calling that length 1, and then I only have one variable, and then we just have to solve for that variable, and we do. And that's why that's how you can see that that's a 30-degree angle.
Okay.
It's a cool problem.
Yeah.
I actually really like this problem, and the geometric solutions were super cool too. All right. High five. Good job.